This is really sad. I work in packaging and I have no idea how to open a box. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter. I've got links for my socials in the description box below, so please follow me there as well. Today, I am going to be doing a first impressions and review of the Remington Retro Pink Dryer Gift Pack. So it's a blow dryer, comes with all sorts of like attachments and things. So I've never used this before, so I'm going to be trying this out. So if you want to see my first impressions and review, then please keep on watching. So, okay, just some features about it. I bought it at Walmart. I paid about somewhere between, I want to say 20 and 50 bucks. I can't remember exactly. It's apparently a limited edition thing. It's in like a nice, very like 60s, but also like a millennial pink. 1875 watts, ceramic grill for even heat and fast styling, 3 heat and speed settings, and then it comes with a diffuser, concentrator, and sectioning clips. So that's really cool. I'm going to be trying out the diffuser attachment and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Very cool. Got a manual, which I'm not going to read. So that's a diffuser. And I'm very interested in these sectioning clips. I'm just going to plug in my dryer and then put in some heat protectant and styling products. Alright, so I don't know if it really matters. Just to backtrack, so I just washed my hair obviously, and the products that I used are Diva Curl, Low Poo, and One Condition, and then Live Clean conditioner. Forget which scent. I'll put all the products in the description box below. Then I also use the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus conditioner. And then I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I don't use very much of it because my hair doesn't like coconut, but this also gives a really nice curl to my hair. So I'm just going to sort of concentrate that in the ends, just kind of like squish it in. Okay. And then I'm going to use the Ion Smooth Keratin Heat Styling Cream. It's a heat protectant. I really like this stuff. And then I'm just going to kind of try and run through everything, and now I'm just going to comb out my hair before I blow dry it. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is about, I'd say 85 to 90% dry. I'm gonna let the rest of it air dry. I'm really impressed. I sort of thought that diffusers, like, I mean, I guess it did what I thought it did. Like, you know, I realized that it sort of concentrates the air, but I guess I didn't realize how it can really enhance and hold your curl pattern or your wave pattern. and I think my hair looks really nice. I know part of it is this product. This product really enhances my natural curls and waves, but I have to use it very sparingly because if I use too much and my hair is like, whoa, this is too much stuff for me, and it just kind of goes out of control. But I think it really helped lock in my wave pattern so that with the heat styling and the diffusing, I think my hair looks really nice. So I'm really impressed with this hair dryer, and yeah, I'm really excited to continue using it. So if you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.